Hey guys, Trey from AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Red Rock molded mud guards for the front and rear of your 2019 and newer Ram 1500 models that didn't come with those OE fender flares, and not including the classics. These mud guards are perfect for Ram owners wanting to add protection from road debris, mud, and rocks, whether you're driving on highways or tackling rougher terrain. These molded mud guards are custom designed to fit your 2019 and newer Ram 1500 without OE fender flares, creating a clean, seamless look while providing full coverage. Their contour design keeps road debris and splashes away from your paint, preserving the look of your truck's fenders and lower body. They're ideal for off-roading in areas where you're going to have gravel and dirt, but they're going to be ideal for off-roading and areas where gravel and dirt roads might cause extra wear and tear on your vehicle, but they're going to come in handy for anybody looking to protect their truck's paint and body. Constructed from durable thermoplastic material, these mud guards are built to withstand harsh conditions without cracking or fading. The black texture finish complements the truck's styling, blending right in with the wheel wells for a factory-like appearance. The molded design ensures they fit securely, adding both style and function. Now, as far as pricing goes on these, they're gonna land right in that $100 range, so they offer a reliable protection at a reasonable price. They're worth checking out for anybody looking to preserve the condition of their Ram's exterior and save on potential repair costs down the road. Installation is going to be really simple, rated only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty scale, and should take you about 45 minutes. These mud guards come with all the necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. Now let's check out exactly how these are going to go on your truck with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
All you're going to need for this job is an 8mm wrench, a couple of rags. Gloves are not necessary. I've got some brake cleaner here, and this is just some Simple Green. Only reason I use the Simple Green is just to clean the mud and the dirt off, and then we're using the brake clean or some rubbing alcohol just to clean the surface where the 3M tape is going to attach to the wheel wells, and that's it. All right, moving on to the front. So on this vehicle, we don't have any sort of mud flap. It comes factory with a little bit of a flap. I guess it's not really a flap, but as you can see on the side of the truck here, it's getting all kinds of splatter. So we're going to solve that by installing the front mud flaps. Same as the rear, the 3 lowest bolts here. And there is a pop pin in here. We are not removing the factory flap. These flaps are going to go right around it. So we'll get started. We'll remove these 3 bolts. Mud. All right, I'm gonna give it a little test fit. All right, so this double-sided tape is going to contact down in here. We're going to spray a little bit of our brake clean. Make sure it's nice and dry and free of debris. Again, nice and snug, not too tight. And then we're gonna press our wheel well against the double-sided tape. Kind of hold it. And there we be. All right, now we're over on the driver's side, and it's pretty much exactly the same. We start by removing the 3 8mm bolts. And so if your truck doesn't have mud flaps from the factory and you're wondering the 3 8mm bolts to take out, they're gonna start from the bottom. So it should be the lowest bolt on the bottom. So you got 1, 2, 3, because there are several bolts that go throughout the fender here. We only need to take out the lowest 3 on the rear. All right, so we've got our old mud flap out. Just like on the other side, clean up the surface. Again with a little bit of brake clean. On this model, we do have this double-sided tape just like on the other side, but it doesn't always connect on certain models. So depending on your trim model, this piece here may be necessary. So we remove that. Get one of the bolts. Just in the middle. I'm using our 8mm. Again, these bolts don't need to be super tight, just nice and snug. All right, so last side here, same deal. We're going to remove our 3 bolts. Right, and just cleaning off the mud. Recommend car wash first. Help make this process go a little faster. A little brake cleaner, a little rubbing alcohol. So peel away. Get our screws, bolts. Again, just nice and snug. We don't want to over tighten these, causing them to strip. All right, and nice and snug. And then we can try and press our double-sided tape here. If you have problems getting that to stick, that's okay. It's really just an extra attachment point. It doesn't need to have anything in there nice and rigid. So the big thing this is going to do is going to protect our rocker panels here. These are notorious for getting rotted out first. So having that mud flap down there is going to prevent all those little stones from beating up our rocker panels.
All right, well that's going to wrap things up here for our review and install of the Red Rock molded mud guards for the front and rear of the 2019 and newer Ram 1500 models that didn't come with those factory fender flares, and not including the Classic. For all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.